In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check mail from another Gmail account right inside your main Gmail inbox. This is really useful if you have multiple Gmail addresses, like one for work and one for personal use, and you're tired of signing in and out all the time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your other Gmail account connected, and its emails will automatically appear in one place. Let's start from your main Gmail inbox on a computer. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, you'll see a link that says See All Settings. This opens the full settings page with all of Gmail's advanced options. Click on See All Settings and give it a second to load. Across the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you manage other email addresses that you send from or receive mail for. Once you're in the Accounts and Import section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the section that controls mail fetching from additional Gmail accounts. Take a moment to locate it because you might see other options above and below, but you want the one specifically for checking mail from other accounts. In that section, click on the link that says Add a Mail Account. This will open a new small window or pop-up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow them for Gmail so this window appears. In the new window, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. Type in the Gmail address you want to add, then continue. Gmail will walk you through verifying that you own that account and setting the connection type. Just follow each step carefully, reading the instructions as you go. Typically, you'll sign into the other Gmail account and grant permission so your main Gmail can fetch messages from it. When you finish the prompts, Gmail will start checking that other inbox automatically. Give it a moment, then return to your main inbox. You should begin seeing emails from your secondary Gmail account appear there, making it much easier to manage everything from one place.